Hi, Insta family. It's Empowered by Ginger here. On behalf of Brittany, Ben, and myself, I would like to welcome you to the Health Wealth Flip. We are super excited that you guys are joining us in this challenge. So, the purpose of this challenge is to help you create sustainable, hardwired habits so that you can win your day by taking consistent and impactful action and also tracking those different actions. So before we get started on this Excel spreadsheet, I want to make sure that you guys have your goals clearly written down somewhere. If you have not done that, or if you don't have a system for goal setting, make sure that you watch Ben Hansen's video for that. It's in the instructions sheet. So I want to briefly show you guys how to use this Excel spreadsheet. This Excel spreadsheet is a point system with a calculator. Every time you earn a point by checking off a specific activity, you get to add another point to your score, and the spreadsheet is going to keep tally of your running score. So let's get into the meat of this conversation and let me show you how to use this spreadsheet briefly. So at the top left corner here, you have July. This spreadsheet is intended for the 3 next months, Q3. So you have July, August, and if you scroll down, you see September on the bottom here. So every month is split into 2 sections. We have the body section and we have the mind section here. Under the body section, you have 4 slots for nutrition: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and evening. You have alcohol, you have movement, and sleep. Under the mind section, you have 2 subsections. You have the morning routine and the evening routine. They're both identical. We have goal review, visualization, breathing, journaling, and the same thing for the evening routine. So you want to start filling out this Excel spreadsheet by thinking about your goal and target number for each one of these individual tasks. That's under the green column here. So for instance, how many breakfasts do you have to win this month in order for you to win nutrition? How many meals and snacks do you have to win in order for you to win your nutrition for the month? Okay, so we have entered some target numbers here already based on our definition. If you do not like these numbers, you are free to modify these as you wish. So for example, today, if you have won your breakfast based on your definition of winning breakfast, you get a checkbox. If you've won your lunch, dinner, or evening snacks, you get a checkbox. I know that everybody is on a slightly different nutrition program, so this is just based on your definition of winning your meals that will earn you a checkbox. I will provide you guys with some support in the nutrition department. I am actually a healer. I help patients with chronic debilitating conditions like insomnia, fatigue, migraines, gut bowel issues, autoimmune issues. So I will provide you guys with some tips and tricks that I utilize in practice to help my patients get to the other side of their health challenges. Let's move down on the list. If you have won alcohol for the day because you guys did not drink any alcohol, you get a checkbox. If you have moved for at least 30 minutes for the day, you get a checkbox. If you have slept for 7 hours, you get a checkbox. If you have slept for 8 hours or more, you get a bonus checkbox for sleep. Let's move down to the mind section. Under the mind section, there are 2 subsections. There is the morning routine and the evening routine. If you have reviewed your goals for the day, you get a checkbox. If you have visualized for the day, you get a checkbox. If you have done your breathing exercise for the day, you get a checkbox. If you have journaled for the day, you get a checkbox. The goal review and the visualization should take about 1 to 2 minutes each. The breathing and the journaling should take about 5 minutes each. So it's no more than 15 minutes. If you guys want to spend more time on these individual tasks, no problem. That's definitely a bonus. And the evening routine is identical as the morning routine. So if you guys have completed these, you get a checkbox. At the top of the body and mind section here, right here, you guys can see a running total for your daily body and mind tasks. And at the bottom of the body and mind tasks, you see a daily running score. Let me move over to the right to show you a couple of cool things. So under the total column, you can see a number 8, and that is your running score for the body section. And the same thing under the mind section, you can see the total running score for the mind section. And at the bottom of these 2 sections, you can see the running score of your body and mind total. Here are the current streaks. Under this column, you can see the longest streak. Here are your goals, and the progress is measured based on your goal. So this number won't be accurate until you have actually completed the month. So every day you're going to be filling out a column, and under the total section, you'll be able to see your areas of weakness and your areas of strength. And hopefully you'll be honing in on those areas of weakness to improve your overall performance. So that's really it, guys. If you would like to make your document public so that we can watch your progress and cheer you on, you can certainly do that and post it on your Instagram. You can tag us in it so that we can get you additional support that you may need. Wishing you all the best in your health wealth flip. See you on the other side. Bye.